Experiencing issues transferring your number to Mint Mobile? You're not alone. Many customers face challenges during the number porting process. As of 2025, Mint Mobile continues to experience number porting challenges. Transfer delays have increased to 3 to 7 business days, especially during peak periods, due to ongoing system integration work. T-Mobile's acquisition of Mint Mobile has introduced both challenges and improvements. While there are enhanced security requirements and system updates causing delays, customers benefit from better network quality after the transfer completes. Number porting, also known as local number portability, allows you to keep your existing phone number when switching to a new carrier. This means you don't have to update all your contacts or memorize a new number. The number porting process involves 4 key steps. First, you initiate the transfer with Mint Mobile. Then your previous carrier validates your account information. Next, both carriers coordinate the technical transfer behind the scenes. Finally, your number becomes active on the Mint Mobile network. Understanding common failure points can help you avoid delays. 60% of failed ports are due to incorrect account details like mismatched names or addresses. 25% fail due to account restrictions, such as unpaid bills. Technical issues account for 10%, while general processing delays cause the remaining 5%. To ensure a smooth transfer, you'll need 4 essential items. First, exact account information, including your name, address, and account number as they appear on your bill. Your PIN or password from your previous carrier. Third, keep your current service active during the transfer. Finally, ensure your account is in good standing with no outstanding balances or restrictions. Understanding these fundamentals of Mint Mobile number porting will help you prepare for a successful transfer. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps and solutions when issues arise. When your Mint Mobile number transfer gets stuck, systematic troubleshooting can resolve most issues. Let's explore the key steps to get your porting back on track. First, proper preparation prevents most porting failures. Verify all account details with your previous carrier, ensuring the name, address, and account number match exactly. Clear any outstanding issues like unpaid bills or contract disputes that could block the transfer. The porting process follows 5 key steps. Understanding this workflow helps identify where issues might occur and what information you'll need at each stage. During the transfer process, monitor your porting status every 24 hours. Avoid making any changes to your current service, as this can disrupt the transfer. Keep communication open with both your old and new carriers. Having your account information readily available is crucial. This includes your exact account details, PIN, and billing information as they appear on your previous carrier's records. If your transfer fails, don't panic. First, identify the specific reason for failure. Correct any incorrect information, then contact Mint Mobile's porting department directly to escalate the issue and request manual processing if needed. Industry statistics from 2024 to 2025 show that 87% of Mint Mobile ports complete successfully within 48 hours. 8% require additional documentation, while only 5% need customer service intervention. Following these troubleshooting steps significantly improves your chances of successful number transfer. Prepare your documentation in advance. Avoid initiating transfers on weekends or holidays. Monitor the status regularly, and don't hesitate to escalate if issues arise.